Oh, hi there. Like many of you, things have been a little different lately. And we're not driving our cars near as much as we were before. So how do you know how you can rely on your vehicle when you're ready to go? Hi, I'm Joe Hyde, Director of Automotive Technology at Christian Brothers Automotive. Let's talk cars. Here are my top car care tips you can do yourself at home during COVID-19. The first car care tip is you want to make sure you check your air pressure. Did you know that your vehicle could lose 1 to 3 pounds of air a month? Next up on our car care tip list is you want to start that vehicle every 2 to 3 days. Remember, it's used to being driven probably every day, and believe it or not, that battery will go down over time. It also helps lubricate all the moving parts. So start it up, let it run for a few minutes, and then you can shut it down and it'll be ready to go when you are. Our next car care tip is washer fluid. You want to make sure you top off that washer fluid. This will allow you to be able to wash any grime off the windshield that may have built up while it's been sitting. Last up on our car care list is those essential fluids. You want to make sure you give them a check. What do I mean by essential fluids? Well, if you remember our other video, we went over those 4 essential fluids, but let's review them now. You want to make sure you check the oil, transmission, coolant, and brake fluids. And speaking of essential, we'd like to thank the medical workers, first responders, truck drivers, technicians, and all essential personnel for their sacrifice during this time and crisis. Each Christian Brothers Automotive is open and here to serve you, and is practicing social distancing in compliance with local and state authorities. If you do find yourself in need of vehicle service, please contact your local Christian Brothers Automotive for specific details in regards to COVID-19 and its practices. I'm Joe Hyde, and this has been another Car Talk Moment.